everyone, in today's video, we are going to explore an essential aspect of language processing, monitoring and repair in speech production. With me, Rifda Rahima from STKIP Kusuma Negara English Educational Program. Have you ever noticed yourself correcting a word mid-sentence? That's your brain's self-monitoring system at work. Let's delve into how speakers detect and fix error in their speech. First, what is self-monitoring? Simply put, it's our brain's ability to track and regulate what we say. It helps us identify and correct mistakes in speech before or after we say them. This process ensures that our communication remains clear and coherent. There are two primary ways we monitor our speech. First one is pre-articulatory monitoring. We catch errors before speaking aloud. This involves internal checks before words are vocalized. Next, post-articulatory monitoring. We detect errors before words are spoken and make correction when necessary. Psycholinguistic studies often induce errors to understand how people detect and correct them. These studies show that errors in speech can occur due to lexical selection problems, which is choosing the wrong word, phonological errors, which are mispronunciation, and grammatical structure issues. When we notice this mistake, we often repair them immediately by repeating, rephrasing, or adjusting our speech. Speech repairs generally follow a pattern. First one is error detection. Is when the speaker realizes a mistake has been made. Second, interruption is when the speaker pauses or hesitates. And third, correction is when the speaker provides the correct version. For example, you might say, I need to borrow a book from the library. Several theories explain how we monitor and repair speech. One key theory is the editor theory, which suggests that a mental editor constantly scans our speech for errors before and after articulation. Another view is that monitoring involves both internal and external loops, meaning we evaluate speech both before and after it's spoken. Some researchers also propose that self-monitoring relies on the combination of feedback mechanisms and predictive processes that help in error correction. Interestingly, our speech monitoring is also influenced by how listeners respond. If someone looks confused, we might automatically revise what we say to ensure clarity. This highlights the interactive nature of conversation and the importance of repair mechanism in communication. Social and cultural contexts can also impact how and when we correct ourselves, as different settings may require different level of linguistic precision. Understanding monitoring and repair has real-world applications. In language learning, it helps learners recognize errors and refine their speaking skills. In speech therapy, professionals use these principles to assist individuals with communication disorders. Even in artificial intelligence, speech recognition systems are designed to mimic human error detection and correction processes. To summarize, monitoring and repair in speech production play a crucial role in effective communication. Our brain constantly evaluates what we say, helping us catch and correct errors to ensure clarity. Next time you catch yourself mid-sentence and correct a mistake, you'll know exactly what's happening inside your brain. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for your attention. Bye bye, see you next time.